What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is going to be my submission in the great debate of to use a puller or to not use a puller. What's faster, what's quicker, I don't know, but thought I'd have a little fun on a Saturday afternoon and throw this out there. It's been fun watching that. I hope to see more, but whatever that thing is, that anti-DIY HVAC, Ted Cook, great channel. He's got boatloads of videos. Go watch them. Good videos. He's interesting, good guy, fun to watch. I've been battling that thing he used. Not the last blower video he did, or motor video he did, but the one before that. That thing, and then that motor falls out. I laughed my ass off. I thought that was hilarious. And it's definitely better than a puller. I'll give him that for sure. My puller's here in my bag. Not going to be using it today. Just keeping it for moral support. It's there where it always stays. But I want to get this thing out. Same one that was on my other video, as you can see, heavily rusted, pretty bad shape. And came out of old Train air handler, old TWE air handler, and you know, it's pretty cruddy, and it's long. It's not short. It's got a pretty good length of shaft still left on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing out, and probably not gonna beat either one of the times that Ted put up or the other individual. And when I get this out, and when I finish, I'm going to give you 4 or 5 good reasons why, perfect reasons why I did not beat their time. So anyway, haven't prepped anything. I have already taken the screws for the mounting bracket out of the back, on the back side where it holds to the housing. I did go ahead and take that out, but just 3 screws in the grand scheme of things. That's what, 15 seconds. So anyway, I'm going to take this out. I use Kano, the Aero Coil. Got that, got WD-40, got the other PB Blaster, things like that. I'm going to go ahead and prep it a little bit. I'm going to spray that shaft. I'm going to let that sit in there and soak. And I'm going to go ahead and break my lock screw loose, which when I get it out, I will keep it, because you always want to. And yeah, the time started, guys. The time's already started. I'm not doing a stopwatch or anything like that. But I keep these in case I lose one. I've got an extra one. This motor is going in the trash. This housing came out of the junk pile. It's not going back in a unit. So I'm going to keep the little screw so I have an extra one. And the time started. I mean, it's already started, guys. So I've sprayed that down. I've prepped it. We're going to go around here and we're going to clean this shaft real good. Rust off of it, clean it up, try to get it down as close to that metal as I can. Get the edges of the flat side real good. Not worried so much about the flat side because it's not sitting against the hub that locks everything in. Yeah, it's a little wobbly in there because I took those screws out, but I don't care. Gonna get this thing cleaned up real good. squirt a little bit more of this on there. Make sure it's nice and slick. I'm going to take my little brush. Like I was explaining on another video, I want to make sure any rust debris is not down in this groove around here, because I don't want it to slide down in here with the shaft and then cause it to lock halfway out, anything like that. Get that out real good. Make sure there's no chunks or little pieces in there that are gonna lock everything up. Clean it real good one more time, especially around the top, because you don't want to, just the tip, guys. I know some of you probably heard that before. Maybe some of you haven't heard that before. You got to get the tip, because you want it to slide through and fall all the way out. You don't want any burrs on your tip. She won't like that. We'll get the tip cleaned up real good. I'm gonna spray it one more time. We'll make sure it slides out of there. Once again, just in case there are any metal shavings in there, I want to make sure they're not going to get stuck down in there and wedge that shaft when it comes out. If it comes out, I don't know. I might not get it out. Obviously, going to use an adjustable wrench. No need for a power tool. I'll turn that thing real good. Make sure it's nice and loose and broken free. And I'm just going to let the weight of the motor work to my benefit as I turn that, let it pull itself out. Do this thing over here. Get this centered back in. I'm going to take a finger and I'm going to hold that wheel, try to keep it in place. And I'm going to just turn that shaft. Oh, that didn't work out all that great. Oh, damn. The thing fell out. What do you know? Here it is. Alright, guys. It's out. Now I'm going to give you the 5 reasons. Oh, that took about 5 minutes. Five long, painful minutes. I got it out, got it fixed. Homeowner's happy. Paycheck is happy. That's it, guys. No reason for a puller at all. No reason to be in a rush. Time is worth money. You get paid for the work you do. The time it takes to get this out is not really all that much in the grand scheme of things. But I don't use a motor puller. I do it by hand. Sometimes it's a challenge, sometimes it's not. But happy customer when it's fixed. Happy bank account when you get paid. 2 most important reasons. Just get the job done, guys. Whatever you want to use, whatever you need to do it, use it, do it, accomplish the mission, collect your pay when you walk out the door. The bottom line of the whole situation is you really don't need a motor puller. I've got one, still waiting to find out if I need it. When I do, I'll let you know. Have a good day, guys.